everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Irene, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be doing something very exciting, and that is unboxing my new purchase from Louis Vuitton. So without further ado, let's get started. So as I mentioned earlier, I am going to be unboxing my new purchase from Louis Vuitton. If you have watched my luxury wish list video that I posted several weeks back, you may have an inkling as to what this might be. But let's get into this box right here. And this is a true unboxing because I have not opened this at all. Here is the box. I'm just gonna move the bag aside. There we are, the beautiful blue ribbon. There's just something so satisfying about untying the ribbons on these things. There's the typical orange box that's got the magnetic flap, and it's right in here. If you guys guessed correctly what it is, leave it down in the comment section down below. But I am so excited. I kept flip-flopping back and forth between this one and another model, so I'll explain that in a second. But let's open up the dust bag here. Here it is. This is the Montessori. I think I'm saying it correctly this time. I don't know. In the luxury wishlist video, I called it the Montsouris, but I heard someone else say it's the Montessori. So whatever it is the BB size in the monogram and natural hide leather. And it is beautiful. Just got the inside bucket like this and the drawstring. It's got the straps in here that are adjustable. And there she is. Very beautiful. I'm going to get her all set up in a moment just to show you guys what it will look like on and like with the straps on and everything. But this is just what she looks like initially, straight out of the box. So here is the bag all set up with her straps on. And these are detachable and adjustable straps. So there's a lot of perforated holes where you can change and adjust the length of this bag. But this is just what it looks like on a 360 view. For those of you that watched my luxury wishlist video, you guys know that I was really debating back and forth between the Montessori BB and the Palm Springs BB, the mini Palm Springs. But I just couldn't get this bag out of my head. So I went into the Louis Vuitton store several times and I was able to actually try on the Palm Springs mini at one point and this bag as well. And I loved both of them. Although I have to say that I liked the look of this one more worn as like a crossbody or even as a shoulder bag. I felt like the backpack style that is very signature for the Palm Springs mini, it seemed a little bit awkward to be carried like crossbody or like as a shoulder bag, although I know a lot of people do it and it looks really cute on them. Personal preference, I prefer the look of this one worn in those ways. So I couldn't get this one out of my head. And then just today, I decided to pop into the store just to see if they had a Palm Springs mini in store, because I had asked an SA to keep an eye out for one because they had a couple in store, but they were all made from the United States, and I would prefer to get one that is made from either France, Italy, Spain. Any one of those I'm actually okay with. I know it's really hard to get one from France because those are in high demand. A lot of people want those ones. I'm not overly picky as long as the bag itself is okay. I'm fine with it, but I just didn't want one from the United States. I don't know, it's weird. Anyways, I went into the store and of course they had no mini Palm Springs left. But they did have one of this guy left, so the Montessori BB in the natural tan hide one. I was at first hesitant about this bag because of the natural like leather that they have, although I then realized that actually the vachetta leather on here has actually been pre-treated already. Not to say that it is completely like water resistant, water repellent, safe against like water like drops and damage, but it is already pre-tanned. As you can see, like the straps and everything, the trimming is all a slight, like the leather is actually slightly darker than any regular vachetta leather that hasn't patinaed yet. And I looked at the store, there were certain bags that had like the very fresh baby clean vachetta leather, and when I compared the two, it's very evident that these ones are already pre-treated. And I know one of my viewers in one of my videos had mentioned that this leather on here is already pre-treated in comparison to some of the other ones. So that was one reason that I didn't want this bag, was because I was like, oh, all the vachetta leather, I'm not gonna like it because it's gonna patina and darken to a really nasty looking old color over time. But I do like that it is pre-treated more so that I don't have to worry so much about it. So that kind of takes the one big worry off of my head, is that it's gonna darken and age unwell. It's gonna look old. But I really like the bag when it's cinched in more. I don't like when the sides come out too much. I think it looks really cute this way. And this is a magnetic closure. And when you get inside, you've got the drawstring. I also like that the drawstring is actually easier to get into compared to the Palm Springs Mini, just because the Palm Springs Mini is a small bag. And then the way that the closure with the zipper, it just seems like it's a little bit more of a hassle to get in and out of. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what this looks like on my 5'3" frame. So these are the straps. So I have it adjusted to basically, I would assume this is like the shortest length. And if I was to wear this on my back, like a backpack, this is where it would fall. Basically the top of my bum or halfway through. And it's very comfortable, very cute, and I think it would hold just enough for what I need on a day-to-day basis. If I was just to swing it across one shoulder, this is what it looks like. And then there are of course ways that you can carry it, like as a shoulder bag, or as like almost like a satchel, or those bags where you kind of wear sideways across your back. But I will do like a more further in-depth video on ways you can wear this bag, what fits inside and things like that a little bit later down the road. But for now, I just wanted to really give you guys a quick idea of what this looks like on me. And as you can see, it works really well. I love this bag. It is so cute. In terms of pricing, I have my receipt right here. I paid, this bag is 2,870 Canadian dollars, and then adding GST and taxes on there, it was $3,013.50. This one stung a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. This is definitely a couple $100s more than the Palm Springs Mini. But like I said, there was no Palm Springs Mini in store. And I have thought about like one or the other, but at the end of the day, this is the one that I originally wanted to get when I was thinking about adding a backpack to my luxury bag collection. And I didn't want to, you know, go for the Palm Springs Mini just because everyone had it and everyone says it's good. I do believe it's a great bag. That's why so many people have it, but I also like that not as many people have this bag. Another thing that really pushed me over the edge was when I was in store, I checked online, and this bag was sold out online. Several weeks back, even like a month or two back, this bag was not sold out. It was in stock online, and they had it available in store, and I think the availability of it made me think, okay, I can hold on and wait until, you know, I think about it more, give myself some time to like be a little bit more sure about my decision. But now I've thought it over for several months, and I can't stop thinking about it. I constantly am wanting to look at this bag. And I see it's sold out online. Like, what the heck? Like the Palm Springs Mini I can see, but now this bag is also being sold out, and this is the only one in store in my area. So I was like, okay, I guess it's a sign. I think it's time for me to get this. So I am considering this as like an early birthday present for myself. That's how I am justifying it. So no more spending money for me, but this is what I'm gonna say is my early birthday present. As you can see, there's a top handle, which is very typical of me. I love bags that can be worn multiple ways, and this bag is definitely it. You can wear it top handle, crossbody, almost like a saddle bag, and obviously as a backpack as well. But for now, I just wanted to jump in here and give a quick reveal video or unboxing video, just because I want to use it and I don't want it to be like a fake unboxing. But there we go. I am so excited to wear this. If you guys have this bag, please let me know what you guys think about it, and like, is this leather something that I need to be extra careful about. I'm thinking about possibly spraying it with like, what is it, carbon, it's that carbon spray. Anyways, I'm thinking about treating it myself, but I'm gonna do some research before I do anything to it and make sure that it's okay. But if you have any tips or tricks to protect this leather, and if you have opinions on this bag, let me know down in the description bar below. I'd love to hear what you think about this bag. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to join my little family here. I post videos about shopping, about handbags. I'm trying to branch out a little bit more into even like lifestyle and fashion, but that's slowly coming along. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!